We are looking at how to pronounce this phrase. Let's break down the pronunciation. Shadow, stress on the first syllable here. Shadow, shadow, and bone. Shadow and bone. We are looking at how to pronounce this phrase. Let's break down the pronunciation. Shadow, stress on the first syllable here. Shadow, shadow, and bone. Shadow and bone. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.